66, going to write that in the top right corner. All right, and this time we're doing centimeter scale. All right, I've already got my, ouch. I'm going to put the centimeter scale on the bottom, okay? And I'm going to put the millimeter scale on the top, okay? For every 10 millimeters, how many centimeters are there? Does anybody remember me telling y'all that?
1. 10.
Yeah. How many?
1.
Okay, wait, let me ask the question again. For every 10 millimeters, how many centimeters are there?
1.
1. Because there are 10 millimeters in one of the centimeters. So 1 centimeter is 10 millimeters, right? 2 centimeters is 20 millimeters, right?
So it's basically...
Okay, so you're basically doing the same thing. You're basically dropping a 0 again. Okay, if you want to think of it that way. Okay? Now, listen to these questions they're going to ask us, okay? If I asked you, how long is this line, what would you tell me?
Oh, I know.
Okay, now it's two things.
Oh, 15 centimeters? 15 millimeters.
15 millimeters.
Ooh.
Okay? And it's...
1 centimeter and 5 millimeters.
Yes, you're thinking. Okay, actually, what is this in between 1 and 2?
3. Or 1.5.
1.5. And did you know the decimal form of a half is 0.5? Did y'all know that?
It's 1.5.
So this is not just 1 centimeter long. It's 1 and a little bit more, and it's actually 0.5 is a half. Do all y'all know that? Okay, so it's 15 millimeters, but it's 1.5 centimeters.
See?
Right? All right, let's try another one.
No, you hear that.
Let's try another one. All right. How many centimeters, how many millimeters? Yes, how many millimeters?
45. And then 4.5.
Very good. You got it. Good job. Okay. Now, all right. The next thing I want you to see, everybody draw on your paper, put a 0, and then pretty far away, put a 3. Okay? And then we're going to put a 1 and a 2 in the middle. Okay, so something that looks about like that. Okay? Now, what I want you to see next is this. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, I'm going to put 10 units. Now watch what I mean by that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But 10 units are pretty much like 10 jumps. So watch what I do. There is 1 jump, 2 jumps, 3 jumps, 4 jumps, 5 jumps, 6 jumps, 7 jumps, 8 jumps, 9 jumps, 10 jumps, okay? And I call it a jump because it's actually considered a unit. But a lot of people think these ticks are the units, but it's actually the amount that it has jumped that is the unit. So this is 1 unit right there. Just from 0 to this next tick mark is 1 unit. So how many jumps or units are in between 0 and 1?
9.
No, how many jumps?
Oh, 10.
10. How many tick marks? 9. How many jumps? 10. Okay? So I'm going to do the same thing. 10 jumps from there to there. Again, I'm going to do the same thing here. Okay? Does everybody understand what I'm doing? Okay? I'm making from 0 to 1 has 10 units. 1 to 2 has 10 jumps or units. 2 to 3 has 10 jumps or units. Okay, does everybody understand what I mean by jump? Okay, I did that because it helps make sense to my brain better. Okay?
What?
Now,
You have a brain?
I do. Now, if I were to put a dot right here,
Wait, is those centimeters?
this is in, this one doesn't tell, but let's just pretend it's in centimeters, okay? It really, it's not important right now. I just want to teach you how to do it.
1 and 3/10.
1 and 3/10.
1.3.
You did exactly. So what would it be? Okay.
Oh,
Thank you.
sorry.
So it would be 1. Did you hear yourself, Sarah Kate?
Yes, 1.
And 3.
10.
Yep.
Oh.
And what it would look like as a fraction is 1 and 3/10. Okay? All right? What about this one? What is that one? What is that dot?
I know.
Okay?
2 and
2.7.
2.7.
2 and 7/10 or 2.7.
I thought that was.
Very good. Okay?
Oh, it's on the 7.
Very good. All right. Is everybody understanding?
Yes.
Okay, now if we do it before the 1 or 2 or 3, these are whole numbers. Okay? So if I were to put one here, right row, what's it gonna be?
Do you say
Yes.
front row or
0.4.
Right row.
0.4 centimeters.
It would be 0.4 because I don't have a whole number. I could say 0 as my whole number and then 0.4 if I want to. Or you can just say 0.4. Okay? Okay, you can say
We did
0
the first couple
and
of ones on the lesson practice because I get confused on this stuff, like the centimeters and stuff.
right. Okay, look at example 2 really quickly. And without looking at the book's answer, tell me what its answer would be. Everybody got it? Garrett, look on hers if you don't have yours. What would it be?
Be 3 and 7/10.
3 and 7/10, which is 3 point.
7.
Okay, got to learn how to write that as a decimal. Okay, because it's on the 7th mark out of 10, right? Very good. Okay,
They have a dot after the 7.
on the 7th. Oh, that's a period.
Oh.
Yeah, that is kind of confusing. Okay, let's look. I want you to do F on the bottom, just in your head. Levi, G,
A, please. On the lesson practice.
H, and I.
6.
Can I just do it?
On your lesson practices, I just want to see how you do.
I'm just gonna do it up here.
Yeah, that's fine. F, G, H, and I.
Oh, right here.
You already did it though.
Right
You
here.
already did it.
I want you to find G. Okay,
I
tell me
know.
what it is.
Oh.
In just a minute. You're going to do this one. You're going to do the second one, F, G,
Can you
H.
tell us?
and you're going to do I. Tell me what it would be. Now, I just want to see how y'all do. Tell me when you got it.
0.9.
F, G, H, and I.
0.9.
Okay, you got 0.9. Okay.
Yours is easy.
Sarah,
2.
you got 0.2.
It's really. I got 1.5.
You got 1.5. Okay.
Yours is 0.1.
I got 2.2.
2.2.
Dude, yours is 0.1.
2.2.
It is.
2.2.
Now,
It's not 0.1.
you
It's
check hers and see if she did it right.
Yes, 0.1.
You
is
check
what?
his and see if you get the same answer.
It's on the second one.
You
This is
check Sarah Kate's to see if you got the same answer that she did. Sarah Kate, you check his to see if he gets the same. You get the same answer that he got.
Wait,
on
what?
that one.
Oh, I'm writing down what he said.
Okay, well check them to see if they're right. So you check his G to see if he did it right. Do you really get 0.9? Okay.
I don't get point.
And I want
I don't
you-
get point.
I got mine.
You
wrong.
got
I already know
0.1.
that.
You did F?
Yeah, I already
Yeah,
got
F.
mine wrong.
0.1.
Oh
Yeah.
no, it's 0.1.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, because there's just one jump from the 0.
He got it right, and I got it right.
Okay, so those two are right. This one was 0.1. I could see why she thought it was 0.2 because the arrow was kind of messing it up. But that one would be 0.1. Did he get his right?
Yeah.
Okay, good job, guys. Good job. All right, we are done.
Yay. What